Third and fourth generation farmers Dave and Dan Fox plant more than 2,100 hectares of winter cereals and pulse crops in the Marra district of the New South Wales Riverina. 2 years ago, their 25-year-old articulated tractor suffered a catastrophic failure, with 700 hectares of crop still to plant.
Towards the end of sowing season last year, we had a failure in our old tractor, which was going to be down for quite a while, and we still had quite a bit to seed. So we were thrown into a real high need all of a sudden.
The Foxes had previously trialled a 530 horsepower CLAAS XERION 5000 tractor during harvest, but weren't convinced their single wheel configuration would have sufficient traction to tow their 12-metre disc seeder on undulating country. CLAAS Harvest Centre Wagga accepted the challenge and arranged for a second demonstration to enable the Foxes to complete their sowing program.
Yeah, on that first experience last year when we finished our seeding, it was quite obvious that A, we were pulling the machine quite a lot faster, but B, using quite a lot of less fuel per hour.
Approaching its 30th year of production, CLAAS XERION tractors are purpose-engineered for performance, efficiency, versatility and comfort. All models feature 4 equal-sized wheels, permanent 4-wheel drive, all-wheel steering and equal weight distribution over the heavy-duty axles.
It pulled every bit as good, if not better, than our old tractor on 710 joules. We went from sort of 9.5 k's an hour to over 13 k's an hour in the same paddock conditions on the same slope because the seeder was unhooked in the same position.
XERION 5000 has a 12.8 litre 6-cylinder Stage 5 Mercedes-Benz engine that delivers 530 horsepower and a maximum torque of 2,600 Newton metres at just 1,300 RPM. High torque, low speed is a trademark feature of the CLAAS Power Systems concept and significantly reduces fuel consumption without affecting performance.
You're probably looking at around 4 or 5 litres a hectare saving, which over a couple of thousand hectares is, what do we think, something like 10,000 litres of fuel at least per year, per season, which would equate to 15,000 or so in fuel savings.
The ZF Ecom 5.5 continuously variable transmission is extremely efficient in transferring engine output to the axles or PTO, even at low speeds or under heavy operating conditions. It allows smooth and precise control of operating speeds between 50 metres and 50 kilometres an hour.
We put it in cruise control and it just does what it can do, and I don't have to worry about that side of it. It just does what it needs to do, and you know that you're applying all the power that you've got, so you are getting to the hill, top of the hill, as fast as you possibly can without having to worry about any decisions in transmission.
A high-flow hydraulic system delivers up to 445 litres per minute to 5 double-acting rear spool valves, ensuring ample hydraulic capacity for the air seeder. The flow rate of each circuit can be adjusted to give priority to high-demand functions such as the seeder fans. Inside, XERION is equipped with a CBUS operating system, which features a 12-inch touchscreen integrated armrest and a multi-function control lever. Dave took the 30-year leap in technology in his stride.
Yeah, electronics is probably a fear factor that I had, but since I've used it for the whole season, the more I've got to know it, I think it is very, very good to operate. You just got to initiate the function and the job's done. So at the end of the day, at the end of long stretch, you're less fatigued.
As the farm's primary driver, Dave also appreciates the axle and 4-point cap and suspension and vibration damping linkages.
It's right up there. The seat is very good. At the end of 15 hours, it's still comfortable. Cab suspension is something new to me. I think it's quite good. And I guess, the rest of the layout and features and comfort is what you would expect in a modern tractor.
The XERION 5000 is equipped with a 3-year warranty, 1,000-hour service interval and a host of standard features, including rear linkage and PTO, air compressor, grease gun and toolkit. The modular ballasting system allows up to 3.5 tonnes to be easily added over both the front and rear axles in 400 kilogram increments to suit different tasks.
This machine is great value for money. We looked at other brands when we were looking at purchasing a new tractor. In terms of standard equipment on this thing, it is second to none. It's probably one of the better decisions that we've made on the farm in the last 5 years.